Unique Roof Private Limited, a unit of Balu Engineering Works, Coimbatore.
Unique Roof Private Limited, unit of Balu Engineering Works, Coimbatore. Balu Engineering Works was established in the year 1993. Located very close to the Coimbatore airport, the production wing and the pre-engineering wing of the company found its base on 1 lakh square feet of land. That was the advent of Unique Roof Private Limited. With imported machineries, technologies and indigenous ideas, Unique Roof is truly the pioneer in using fully automated machineries in South India. From bed bolts and nuts to trusses on roofs, every piece of metal is manufactured indigenously by Unique Roof. The authenticity certificate for our company is our punctuality and promptness in looking to our clients' need on time. We, with due permission from the government authorities, have a bulk gas storage heavy power generator which is capable of helping us with uninterrupted production backup. And we adhere to all the safety standards as per government rules. Unique Roof Private Limited does user-friendly, on-demand site structuring jobs depending on the client's needs with efficient on-site engineers who use computerized PEB structural design drawing with STAD Pro engineering technology. Depending on the customer's requirement, state-of-the-art designs are developed and delivered to the client. The list of our esteemed suppliers, which includes SAIL, SR, Tata, JSW, to name a few, reflects the authenticity and quality of our product and productivity. The raw materials are weighed in the 60-ton weighbridge and then unloaded by a mobile crane, both of which are owned by the company. Now, let's take a look at the process of manufacturing steel posts and trusses from the uploaded raw materials. Initially, the nesting program is used by a computer program to avoid wastage and accurate cutting of raw materials. The next phase is cutting. This is done by the fully automatic CNC plasma cutting machine. The automated submerged beam welding line is transferred with the help of a conveyor belt. The crushed web plates and flanged plates are welded by using the submerged arc technique and are lifted off and unloaded by the EOT crane. The steel post and the roof trusses are then welded together using the MIG welding technique. Once the welding is done, using the grinding process, it is brought to a good finish. Next, purlin fixing holes are drilled by the magnetic drilling machine. This is followed by prime coat painting and finally enamel paint coating. Quality control engineers test the product. Once approved, the finished steel columns are stacked in the stockyard. These are then delivered to clients as per requirement with the help of the mobile crane. Next, let's take a look at manufacturing purlin from coil sheets. The coil sheets are loaded into the fully automated and computerized imported CNZ purlin profile machine. The exact measurements are keyed in through a program on the computer. These CNZ purlin come out with auto-punched holes. Wherever necessary, with the help of the computer. And then the purlin is brought out with the help of conveyor belt. Once the purlins are conveyed out, they are then prime coated and then given an enamel coat finish. These are also stacked in the stockyard and ready for delivery. Now, let's go through the process of manufacturing roofing sheets. The color-coated galvanized coil sheets stacked in quantities are used for this procedure. The quantity required is ascertained, selected and loaded into the fully automated roofing sheet profile machine. It is computerized and programmed as per requirements and converted into the roofing sheet according to the client's specification. The next step is crimping. These are also user-specified and are redesigned and crimped according to specifications with the help of a fully automated crimping machine. These crimping sheets are then brought back to the stockyard. Next, let us look at accessories required for pre-engineered buildings and constructions. The accessories department has 3 very important machines needed for this process: automatic shearing machine, automatic press brake and automatic thread rolling machine. The automatic shearing machine and the press brake machine are used for manufacturing rainwater gutter, downspout, corner sheet, drip flash, louver, ridge and monitor ventilator. The automatic threading machine is used to make bed bolts, sag rods and bracing rods. Now, all the materials required for pre-engineered building are ready. These are all transported to the working site for erection. The erection process takes place under the guidance and surveillance of qualified supervisors. The mobile crane is used for this process. At site, the steel post is erected first, followed by the roof truss and purlin. The roofing sheet is then placed, which is then followed by the process of wall cladding. Finally, accessories such as rainwater gutter and corner sheets are positioned and erected. Now, predetermined, pre-engineered building, factory, showroom, warehouse, as per customers' dreams, specifications, colors, shape and comfort, is ready for occupancy.
Unique Roof Private Limited, a unit of Balu Engineering Works, Coimbatore.
Unique Roof Private Limited, unit of Balu Engineering Works, Coimbatore.